2 months without making videos, almost 3 months actually. So what happened? I opened my coffee house for the season and a brand new food truck. It was so much to do, so much new, but it was great. It was very great. I'm gonna sit here and talk to you. I opened the coffee house end of March and the food truck beginning of April. The coffee house has been full every weekends because right now I open every weekend, Saturday, Sunday, and it's just full every single day. I opened the food truck Monday till Friday. We got a few people at the beginning, then more, then the weather started to be very bad. And now, since like the last 2 weeks, we are getting more and more, so that's great. I've been experiencing new things at the cafe, like waffles, and I think we did pretty good. We also did our cakes as usually. Everything went very fine. Half of my personnel is new, which is like 3-4 persons, you know. But I feel pretty good this year, and I think we're gonna do pretty good. But it's gonna be a lot of work. I'm gonna post a video tomorrow in 2 days, but I think tomorrow about a trip I did during the winter in Hungary, in Budapest with my daughter, and I will try to post really regular during the whole summer to show you what we are doing here at the cafe.